Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Menchi Katsu. Menchi Katsu is very popular food to eat out or take out because it's a bit of work. But nothing can beat homemade, freshly fried Menchi Katsu. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Menchi Katsu, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 500g ground meat. This is mixture of beef and pork, but you can do beef only or pork only. 1 onion, about 1 cup all-purpose flour, panko breadcrumb, salt and pepper, nutmeg powder, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to mince the onion first. Cut the top off and peel the skin. Cut it into half. Make some slit. And slice. And do the same for the other half. Let's put it in a large bowl. Ground meat, one egg, Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, about 1 teaspoon, nutmeg powder, about 1 teaspoon, 4 tablespoon panko, and knead this well until it gets sticky. Everything is well mixed and well incorporated, and you can lift it up like this. Now I'm going to make it into bowls. So take some and just make it into a bowl. Little bigger than an egg. I made 10 bowls, so 2 per person and 2 extra. Now I'm going to bread and fry them, so let's make batter to bread. 1 cup of cold water into 1 cup of flour. Give it a mix. And the batter is ready. Let's put the meatballs into the batter, panko breadcrumb, back to the plate. Like this. Okay, all done. If you have leftover panko, don't throw it away. Just put it in a freezer bag and freeze, and you can use it next time. I'm heating up some canola oil over medium to medium high heat. Let's check the temperature. Drop a little bit of butter into the oil. If it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's perfect temperature. Let's press it down to make it into a disc shape. Like this. Then gently put it into the oil. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Nice color on both sides, so let's take them out. All fried, the Menchi Katsu is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Some Ustasha sauce or any sauce you like. いただきます。Nice and crusty outside, so juicy and soft inside. And the onion adds nice texture to it, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Menchi Katsu is a main dish, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and tofu miso soup or any other soup you like here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either homemade or off the shelf, to refresh my palate. For the other side dish, Menchi Katsu is a lot of work, so I want to do something very simple, so how about onion salad? I hope you enjoy the meal. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!